So Sea Harvest has a deeply rooted history on the Cape West Coast that's been founded here on the shores of Saldanha Bay in 1964. And 57 years later, we are still well established within the community which we operate in. It is the single largest employer on the West Coast, firstly, and we are an economic driver within the region. Our growth has accelerated over the past number of years. In pursuit of our vision, we have become a leading Black-owned company, responsible and a diversified global seafood company. So today Sea Harvest is listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. We have a market capitalization of over 4 billion rand. Although we are established in Saldanha Bay, we export to over 35 countries, meaning we have an international footprint, but our heart is still within this community. We have not forgotten our roots and our commitment to our employees and to the community at large. We are well established here, and we ensure that our stakeholders and our employees and the community benefit economically from our business. So the secret to the success for Sea Harvest specifically, participating in the Prince Charles Trust Initiative, is not only the prime quality hake products which we produce and export across the world. It is also the focus on our employees, our people per se, and the community and the stakeholders within the regions that we operate in. We empower our employees. We ensure that our employees are well educated, that they are given sufficient training, that they contribute positively to the business, and that we are able to then together move into the future. And really that was the success of ensuring that we are able to have profits and sustainability not to be mutually exclusive. Sustainability starts with the fishing. So if we are fishing sustainably, then you can have a sustainable business. And when you have a sustainable business, you are able to employ and maximize the amount of people you employ in your business. And as a result, you are contributing to the economy of the town. You are contributing to the economy of the municipality because they're dependent on us. The SMMEs that enter into our site on a daily basis, that are working on our ships, working on our factories. We have a 1 billion rand infrastructure where we employ 2,000 people working and processing fish on a daily basis. The SMMEs start as a little small business. 5 years later, they're employing 25 people, and in my words, these 25 people are 25 families which they'll be feeding on a daily basis. So you know, it starts with ethical and responsible fishing. Then it moves on to how do we maximize the opportunity to employ the amount of people that we do today, giving them salaries and wages, which we actually pay into this community on an annual basis of over 470 million. So that's a huge contribution that we make to the town of Saldanha Bay. And as a result of that, you know, many others benefit from that. So Sea Harvest's existence impacts the community at large, not only our employees, where we're empowering them on a continuous basis, but also impact on the small, medium enterprises, such as a taxi driver who is now one of our main transport providers, transporting our products across the country, which is quite incredible, because, you know, moving from where he was to having a fully fledged business with a number of refrigerated trucks, that's the impact that we have. We have many more stories where someone would come and do a small job for us as painting and repairing our ships, and 2-3 years later he would be, you know, employing a number of people, and that's where it starts. You know, starting something small having mentorship programs for the SMMEs and developing them on a continuous basis, either with financial assistance or assisting them with their accounts, or just helping them strategize. Those are the type of mentorships which we have provided to the SMMEs over the years. And we are very proud that we could be a part of their journey from where they have started to where they are today. So the Sea Harvest Foundation is a non-profit company which was formed a number of years ago and has quite an extensive history. But over the past 5 years, we've developed it into a non-profit company with a fully fledged board and a governance structure, which worked very well for us because you're able to now have a strategic approach to what you want to achieve. And we focus on early childhood development. We've built a school which really assists in the community of Dyersville. But more importantly, it was really focused on where our employees are from. And as a result, we filled most of the classrooms with our employees' children, and it's a free school. So, our community benefits, our employees benefit, and the children are safe. They have a safe place to play and to enjoy their time during the day. The pandemic had a dire effect on the communities in which we exist due to people losing jobs, and unemployment increased dramatically. And as a result, people needed food, and we were there to fill that gap. We supplied over 12,000 food parcels during the pandemic. As the saying goes within our community, Sea Harvest is Saldanha, and Saldanha is Sea Harvest.